welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So I'm really excited to bring today's video and unboxing to you because it's not your normal monthly unboxing. So this is, as you can see, a Pen Culture Black Friday deal. So I'm going to go over some information with you about what's going to happen for Black Friday with Pen Culture, and then I'm going to show you some items that I chose and that the owner did kindly send to me to share with you guys to kind of give you an example of what you could get during the sale. So the sale is going to take place November 28th through December 2nd. It's going to be a 50% off all items in the boutique. It says you can stock up on items from past boxes, new items, and special sets. And that was one of the things I really liked. I actually selected one of the, I think it was one of the ribbon ties, but it was the April box. So they have past months on there as well. It says shipping for boutique items are $1 per item and already discounted sale prices, and stocking stuffer sets are included in the Black Friday sale. If your total after the coupon code is $50 or more, you will be refunded the shipping cost. Now there is a coupon. The coupon code you will need to use to get 50% off is BF Southern Mom. So Black Friday Southern Mom, BF Southern Mom. All orders will be shipped by December 6th. So she says that she does do the sale annually, and items do sell out quickly. There may only be a few left of certain items. Items that are sold out will be marked sold out in the title. The easiest way to shop is to click the type of item from the center menu, such as hair clips. I have here the items that she sent me and what the actual cost of them would have been, and then the 50% off. So to kind of give you an idea. So let's get in here and see. Some of this stuff was so cute. I had such a hard time trying to find things, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. So I will, like I said, put the link to Pen Culture down below, as well as the promo code BF Southern Mom to get you 50% off during this Black Friday sale. All right, so we have, it's multiple things wrapped up here. So, let me open this so I can tell you. All right, now this was one of these stocking stuffer sets. I thought this was super cute. So this is actually the stocking stuffer scrunchie set. So it has, and all of the stuff is in their little cute little pillow boxes. So we have like a, is that black or navy blue? Looks navy blue. We have a navy blue scrunchie. We have a like silky looking peach scrunchie. And then we have this really cute, almost mermaidish type scrunchie. Now, the stocking stuffer scrunchie set would normally be $13, but with the coupon, it'll be $6.50. So I think that is awesome. And then we have something here. Oh, I remember these. I thought these were so beautiful. All right, so this is the Heart Acetate clip set. So these are two different clips here. This is $9, but with the coupon, this would be $4.50. But aren't those gorgeous? The way they reflect the light, I just think that is gorgeous. All right, and then she always wraps everything so well. This I thought was just absolutely stunning and beautiful. This is the square pearl clip. Now this would normally be $8, but with the code, it is only $4. But you guys, do you see how gorgeous that is? You can see it's the clip like that. Isn't it just stunning? I just think that is so, so, so pretty. All right. And then got this because, again, I just thought this was something so cute. This is a weaved headband. Now, this would normally be $10, but with the coupon, it'll be $5. So it's a metal headband, but then there's like weaved fabric, almost as like cotton, through there to give it a little bit of a design. So you can just, you know, wear a headband. So cute. All right, and then we had one more. And this is what I was talking about. This was actually, I love ribbon ties for my, like to pull my hair back, just because they don't leave the crease. They don't damage your hair. I just think that they are just better, in my opinion, truthfully, than regular hair ties. And you can see here all these different colors, but I like that these were toned down, kind of more cool toned colors. But this was actually the April ribbon tie set. So this was actually like the April subscription, ribbon tie subscription. This would have been $15. This would be $7.50 with the coupon. So, and there's like, I think there's like 10 in here. There's usually 10, I believe, in here. So I got the ribbon tie set from April. I got a stocking stuffer set here with 3 different scrunchies. This absolutely beautiful hair clip, this pearl iridescent, you see, it's just gorgeous hair clip. The 2 heart, the acetate hair clips, which I think are just fun and different. And then of course, this nice, fun, cute headband, which I really like because putting it on, I don't feel that I have it on. Like, it's not pressing, it's not pinching, it's not doing anything. It's just a little, but you know, extra oomph. So I think that this is a great sale, especially if, you know, you want to find something for a niece, your daughter, any girl yourself. I mean, I'm 35 and I'm all like, yay for a headband and hair ties. And I just think this is a great sale, and I hope that you guys definitely do take full advantage of it. Like I said, it's 50% off. And again, it is going to run from November 28th through December 2nd. So I will put the link down below for you guys, as well as the promo code BF Southern Mom, and go get you some hair accessories. Stock up. I believe she even has earrings available on there, because she does have a subscription that is a scrunchie and earrings subscription. So there are some earrings available. There were other headbands. They had some really cute headbands. But she's got tons of stuff. So definitely check it out. Like she said, she does this annually. She does know that it's going, you know, stuff's going to go. So if you're interested, definitely hop on it and take full advantage. Use that code and get some great products. So, again, this is for the Pin Culture Black Friday sale. It's going to be 50% off all items in the boutique. And in the boutique, again, like I said, because this ribbon tie set here is actually from April, you can also purchase past month's subscriptions. So if you missed out on a subscription one month and you think, you know, you want it, now's your chance, and you'll get it for 50% off. So, like I said, again, the link and promo code will be down below. Guys, don't forget, we do also have a couple active giveaways going on, so those will be linked down below as well. Let me know your thoughts on the different things that I got, like the ribbon tie set, like I said, the scrunchy stocking stuffer set, the headband, this gorgeous clip, and the beautiful heart clips. So let me know what your favorite was and if you plan on taking part in the sale. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.